Hi guys, good morning all. Today we discuss about inplace parameter in Pandas. So what is the inplace parameter? You might have seen sometimes we have done lot of transformation, lot of operation on top of data frame, existing data frame. For example, I have to do the filter operation, or like I have to add some new column or remove the existing column and all. If you want to modify in the existing data frame, then in that existing data frame only new column will be added, or maybe old column or the existing column will be removed. But for example, I don't want to modify in the existing data frame itself. All the operation or the transformation or whatever I am doing, that I have to store the state of the new data frame. I have to store in the different data frame. I don't want to change in the existing data frame itself. Then for that, we have to take the help of an attribute called inplace parameter. Inplace is a parameter for data frame. Methods like drop in place, sort value in place, set index in place, and all. This inplace parameter accepts two values. Inplace is equal to false, or maybe inplace is equal to true. If I mention inplace is equal to false, it means it cannot override the existing data frame. That means it will create a new data frame at all. If I am writing inplace is equal to true, it means it can override the existing data frame. Okay, so if you see the diagram, it will be clearly visible and very simple to understand. Do you want to override the existing data frame? If yes, then you have to write inplace is equal to true. If no, then you have to write inplace is equal to false. Clear? So far so good. It's very simple. Okay, we'll take some example and I will show you. Okay, simple one. Inplace means that you should obtain the original object instead of creating a new object. Okay, for example, I want to create data by reading from a CSV file. For example, that is a CSV file. It is called sales1.csv. That I am reading by using pt.read_csv, and I am storing all the data into a data frame called DF. Now I am printing the data and now I will do certain operation on top of the existing data frame. Then what I am doing? Creating a data frame and sorting a specific column. Based on the requirement, we can sort a data frame column. Sort_values is a predefined method in data frame. We can use this method to sort a value. Sort_values string, alphabetical order. If it is number, then ascending order, ascending value. For example, here, sort value of customer name. Applying sort_values on top of the customer_name or customer name column. Then alphabetically, what are the name will come, like B start from B, B start before B, A present before B. So it will be present like this. So that's why you can see all the names start with B, Balaji. Then some character will come. So at the end B will come. Something like that. Okay. Now what I'm doing? If you write it, I'm actually printing director sort_values and it is sorted. Now same things I'm just printing, and instead of printing that directly, I'm printed here. In the case for reference, here you can see the name, right? Customer name. So it is not there in the existing data frame itself. Why? Because the existing data frame is DF. Even though I'm applying sort_values, customer name. Okay, you can see while printing the original data frame, it's not sorted. It's a random place it is present. Instead of that, you can use like inplace is equal to. Okay, d.sort_value, customer name, comma, inplace is equal to. You can see where that I'm printing the original data frame, so it will give you the original data frame. In that original data frame, in the customer_name or customer name, the names are sorted. We can do a parts. Very simple. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can see. So I was talking about this one, right? So if you're printing DF sort value directly, you can see there's a customer name column and here is sorted. But if I want to print the original data frame, the original data frame is not sorted. Okay. That how to change in the original data frame? You can write comma inplace is equal to. That's what I have implemented here. Apply inplace parameter. Whenever if you apply inplace is equal to, then it should update original data frame instead of creating the new data frame. So here you can see I'm just creating the data frame by reading from the CSV.csv file. Then I am applying sort underscore values on top of the customer name column in place is equal to true. Then when I'm trying to print the original data frame that is a teaser, you can see the original data frame itself is already sorted. Okay, to my point, this is the difference. Because here I have not written the in place is equal to true. That's why I'm applying df.sort underscore value on top of customer name, but when I'm trying to print the original data frame, still that original data frame under customer underscore name, the value is not sorted. But whenever I'm implementing in place is equal to true, the original data frame itself is got. Okay, I hope that we have. Thank you so much.